Now today we're replacing the rear catalytic converter on this 2010 Impreza. If you need a guide on any other component of the exhaust, the front catalytic converter, the rear pipe to the muffler, all of that has been done. It's uploaded, and I'll include a link in the description box below regarding a Subaru maintenance and repair playlist. So at this point the vehicle has been jacked up, it's safely on jack stands, and let's just knock this out. This should take no more than an hour. Should not really take you that long. Now right here is the rear catalytic converter. It attaches to the front converter, and at the rear it attaches to the silencer and the muffler. Now in my case this has not failed. I'm just trying to do some due diligence here because last year I came across this problem. Oh man. Okay. And when that happened last year, it was a major pain because inclined driveway, snow and ice on the ground, and I don't want that to happen again. This is 13 years old, 165,000 miles. So I'll spray down all of the connection points with some penetrating oil. Now right here we have a 15 millimeter, and this is a 13. Now what I'm going to do, instead of killing your hands, 3-pound hammer, just knock it loose. Just like that. And then this is just a 13 millimeter ratcheting wrench. As always, I'll have a link of all the tools in the description box below. Okay. Now this is a terrific time to replace any mismatched fasteners, which I certainly will do the next time I run to the hardware store. So let me remove these and then I'll give you a better viewpoint if you're a little confused where this pipe lives. Once I remove it, you'll see precisely where it bolts up to the exhaust. 14 millimeter and a 3-pound hammer, just as effective as a power tool would be. So we have the front fasteners removed, we have the rear removed, and just one more for its mount. I'm going to spray a little bit more penetrating oil. I really don't want this to snap on me. Whew. 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 So I'm going to lift this up, push this tab back, and there we go. Okay. And here we have the new converter on the bench. This is a Walker converter, by the way. I'll have a link for it below if you want to check it out. Brand new hardware and brand new gaskets. Do not reuse your old hardware. Okay, as you can see, it's all stripped up. So brand new hardware. Everything here was around 180 bucks. You'll save a ton of money doing the job yourself, and it's not that difficult. Okay, let's install it and wrap it up. So I'm taking a 60 grit sanding block, cleaning off the mounting area here at the rear. And then I have a copper, this is a copper gasket. You spray it on and it seals any irregularities so you don't have any exhaust leaks. And if you're curious on how to install that round gasket, just simply place the flat side against the rear of the converter. Now this car is due for an inspection, so I'm going to leave it on the jack stands so I can check the brakes and so forth, but let's just start the vehicle and make sure everything is in good shape.